Hello everybody, this is Daddy Macho, and I'm filming Anna Luisa, our poopy oopy doopy in the woods. I'm filming her kayak. What a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees. It's partly cloudy. Look at the cloud, but then look at the beautiful, beautiful blue skies. Look at the different colored blue skies. There's our home. And this is a pond that we had made with a big bulldozer and a big excavating machine, a backhoe. And then I built this dock. Right out there where Lisa is right now. It's about 15 feet deep. And the cattails, see those tall green leaves? That's cattail leaves. On the top of those leaves, a little dark thing will form, and that's where the seed comes from, and then they multiply. Look at all of the cattails. Look at the cattails. Look at them. Oh my God. But the birds use them. All of the organisms in the water use them to hide in. The muskrats and beaver eat the roots, and fish hide in them, and they get the insects from them. So we need the cattails, but there's just too many. Oh, look at, there's Annalisa Ari Poopy Doopy in the woods right there, taking it easy. She's kayaking. She doesn't know what she's doing though. She's getting seaweed away from the boat. She doesn't like that seaweed. But how relaxing, huh? There's not a sound. There's just not a sound. There's no bird. There's hardly a wind. It's only my voice and the sound of her oar on the boat and in the water. It's so peaceful. You got to put both your hands like your right hand is. Nope, turn your left hand the other way. What? Turn your left hand. Like yep. Now you go. Right, left, right, left. Had a good home, but I left, right, left, right. Had a good wife, but I left, right, left, right. Had good kids, but I left, right. You're not doing left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Come on, left. Get in the rhythm, baby. There, now you're getting there. Now you're getting in the old rhythm. That's the kayak rhythm right there. Yeah. Huh. Boy, you're breaking a record now for speed. And she's turning around. She's doing a U-turn. We have fish in this pond. We don't go fishing for them, but there are fish in here. So,
I'll go fast now.
You're gonna go fast now.
See?
Well, go faster then. Left, right, come on. That's better. And she's got to have a life jacket on because it is deep out there, and kayaks are tippy. And she's a good swimmer. She swims like a rock. Get it? She swims like a rock, meaning she sinks to the bottom. Uh-oh, here she comes back, doing another U-turn. Okay, pretty quick here. It's Daddy Macho, over and out. Goodbye, Annalisa, or Ira Poopy Doopy in the woods.